Hello students, today we are going to see a next chapter, that is a farewell to the teacher. Okay, so what Yogita says, when what Madhu says, what Mrs. Shastri said, and when what whole class says. Mrs. Shastri is no one but a teacher, okay, and Yogita, Madhu, and all the class A are the students, and how they are giving farewell to their teacher we are going to see, as they are going to promoted in class 5th. As we all know, we are going to also be promoted in class 5th, right students? So we are going to start the chapter now. A farewell to the teacher. Now Yogita is one student, and what she is telling to her teacher we are going to see. Our respected teacher Mrs. Shastri and all my friends belonging to class 4th B, as you know well, we have arranged this short function today to say goodbye to our favorite teacher. So this was the starting of Yogita's speech, or we can say she was hosting the whole program or function or the gathering. The students are gathered to get to give farewell, or to arrange a function for saying goodbye to their favorite teacher, and who is no one but Mrs. Shastri. Okay, first of all I request Madhu to say a few words about her. About her means about Mrs. Shastri. Now how Madhu says, how she describes her feelings about a favorite teacher Mrs. Shastri, we are going to see. Our favorite teacher Mrs. Shastri and friends, I am really going to limit my speech to a few words. Like everyone says that in 2 lines or 3 4 lines I will be describing, or I will be expressing my feelings. 4 years ago I never dreamt that I would be able to make a speech in English. Okay, 4 years ago, मतलब जब वो फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में था तभी मैं कभी ऐसे सोच भी नहीं पाती थी कि मैं इंग्लिश में कभी स्पीच दूंगी. इट इज़ ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ मिसेस शास्त्री दैट आई एम एबल टू डू today. So she is dedicating this speech, or she is giving the speech in English, and she is giving the speech in English just because of Mrs. Shastri, because of her English teacher. She has taught them English very nicely. That's why the students like Madhu are giving speech in English. Okay, she is a great teacher and we have enjoyed every minute of her classes. Okay, likewise, she is saying that they have enjoyed their classes, her classes. Next year, she will not be with us because we are going to a new class. So, new class, new teacher, everyone knows that. But all, but but we will always remember her, and I am sure she will be kind enough to remember us too. हम तो उनको याद करते ही रहेंगे, बट टीचर भी हमें याद करेगी, ऐसी हम होप करते हैं. यू मधु इज सेइंग लाइक दैट. शी she has said that we can go and see her at her home whenever we feel like, but we will miss her in the next year. So they can meet her at her home, but they are not going to enjoy the classes or attend the classes of Mrs. Shastri. That's why Madhu is telling her, like telling everyone like that we are going to miss our teacher. Now, what Yogita says, this was the whole speech of Madhu. As we all can read, this was very heart touching or heart warming speech by Madhu. Now, Yogita's turn. Yogita says, as a token of our love and respect, Shubha will offer her a bouquet of flowers and a gift. Madam, we have prepared the bouquet and the gift ourselves. It may not look too good, but we know you will understand our feelings. May I request you now, madam, to say a few words? मीन्स योगिता कह रही है कि मैम हमने शोभा को अभी मैं रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि वो हम सबकी तरफ से बनाए हुए एक बुके मीन्स फ्लावर्स का बुके बनाया हुआ है जो स्टूडेंट्स ने खुद बनाया है, वो आपको ऑफर करे, और एक छोटा सा गिफ्ट है हमारी तरफ से. और ये इतना कुछ खास नहीं दिख रहा है क्योंकि ये हमने खुद से बनाया है, लेकिन आप हमारी फीलिंग्स को समझेंगी एंड इसे एक्सेप्ट करेंगी. वी होप दैट. So, and after that, the students or Yogita is saying on behalf of all the students that I request ma'am to say few words about how she is feeling now. Okay. Now it was Mrs. Shastri's turn. Girls and boys, I am really overwhelmed. I am very sorry. I am really, I am sorry to part with you, of course, but I am really proud of you. मीन्स मैं आपसे अलग हो रही हूँ उसके लिए बहुत सॉरी, एंड लेकिन मैं आप सब पे बहुत प्राउड करती हूँ. यू हैव गिवन मी द बेस्ट रिवॉर्ड अ टीचर कैन आस्क फॉर. और इतना जो आप सब ने मेरे लिए आज किया वो मेरे लिए सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ है. टीचर के लिए इससे कोई बेस्ट चीज़ हो नहीं सकती. द कॉन्फिडेंस विथ विच यू conducted this program was really amazing. She was just appreciating her children, that the confidence, the function that they have arranged, and they have gathered so many people and they have arranged this function. Okay, and program was really amazing. You have done equally well in all other activities throughout the year. She is also expressing her feelings about the throughout curriculum, or we can say activities done by the children. I am sure you all have a bright future ahead of you. I wish you all the very best in life. She was telling them likewise. Okay, she is just giving them lots of luck and blessings for their future. And at the end the class is saying thank you madam. Okay, after the whole function the whole class is saying thank you madam, thank you for everything, the teaching and the confidence build up or English speaking, everything. They are just saying thank you to their teacher. So uh, this was a farewell to the teacher chapter. Likewise you can give farewell to any teacher. Okay, so you have to just prepare a short farewell speech for your teacher. So you can prepare a farewell speech for any teacher you if you want, because next year some teachers are going to be changed for your class, as you are going to be promoted in 5th standard. Okay, so you can prepare the one speech for your any favorite teacher. It can be Marathi teacher, Hindi teacher, English teacher, anything. Okay, anyone you can prepare a speech. So this is going to be the only homework on this chapter. Thank you.